Hey everyone! Today, we're fixing a persistent and frustrating issue in Power BI Desktop, the Enter Your Email Address pop-up. This prompt constantly interrupts your workflow by appearing whenever you add or modify a visual, forcing you to re-engage with your reports. We'll identify the cause and show you the two best methods to eliminate it. 1. Understanding the trigger. The pop-up appears because Power BI Desktop has a built-in preview feature called Translytical Task Flow, enabled by default. This feature is designed to check for a work account login. When no work account is detected, or if you modify a visual while signed out, it displays the prompt for login credentials. This disruptive behavior stops the smooth editing of your reports. Next, primary fix: sign in if possible. The simplest and recommended solution is to satisfy the prompt by signing in. 1. Log in. Log in to Power BI Desktop using a work email address. 2. Pop-up ceases. The pop-up will automatically stop appearing across all visualizations after a successful sign-in. Next, workaround: disable Translytical Task Flow. If you don't have a work account or simply prefer to stay signed out, you can safely disable the feature that triggers the prompt. 1. Open Options. Click the File tab at the top left corner, then select Options and Settings, Options. 2. Navigate to Preview Features. In the Options window, look at the left-hand menu. Expand the Global section and select Preview Features. 3. Disable the trigger. Locate Translytical Task Flow in the list and uncheck its box. 4. Restart Power BI. Click OK to confirm. This is the critical step. You must save your work, close the application, and reopen Power BI Desktop for the new setting to fully eliminate the pop-up. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.